For many years, I've had a fascination with bottles. And it's amazing what you can do with bottles. Kidneys with brown sauce, salmon with ketchup. So I'm forever playing. This is my steak sauce. Worcester sauce, touch of taste, brown sauce, chili, ketchup, coarse horseradish, tomato juice. All delicious in their own right. But put them all together, one thing happens. They become even more delicious. It's quite frightening. So we'll take some Worcester sauce. And the beauty of this sauce is you can make a fair bit of it because it doesn't go off, as long as you keep it in your fridge. Even as a young boy, I was excessive. I might as well just put the bottle in. Okay, some horseradish. Love horseradish, especially with steak. But also, this is a great sauce. Ketchup. Chili. And again, it's your choice how much you put in. You make it as spicy as tomatoey, as you wish. Touch of taste, chicken. Brown sauce. And then what you do, you just mix it all together. It's delicious with barbecues. And again, you don't like horseradish, don't put it in. And just a dash of tomato juice. That's quite spicy, it's quite delicious. But I like a bit of spice, I like a bit of horseradish. I like it when the juices in your mouth start to run. You know, with a great grilled steak or a great barbecued steak, it's good to have something which is a bit robust. Delicious, but it's your choice whether you put chili in. It's your choice how much horseradish you put in. It's your choice how much brown sauce you put in. So just play with bottles, and it's amazing what you'll create. And so there's my steak sauce. It's delicious with lamb, with chicken, great with steaks, good with a burger, really good. And as you saw, no measurements. I just play to my taste.